So today I wanted to show you my super ghetto overhead light and help you guys recreate it if that's something that you're into. Okay, so let's make one thing clear. This light is a ghetto hack. So please don't expect anything more than ghetto hack results. Did I make that clear? First of all, you're gonna need a strong replacement bulb for your ceiling light. And I chose this one from Wilco. It's a daylight Kelvin and about 810 lumen. So it's fairly bright, not super bright. And I should have got something higher, maybe like a 1500 lumen, but for this video, it's okay. You're also gonna need a super cheap softbox, one of those eBay ones you can pick up for about £10. I had this one laying around for ages and tried to get one of those ones that fits one of those bigger strobe flashes, those old school strobe flashes. Reason being, it's gonna need to get up and over the actual light. So having one of those smaller ones, it may not fit your light fitting mount, whatever you may have. And then lastly, you're gonna need something that's gonna suspend your whole softbox in the air. And for that, I used rubber bands. There you go. Cool, so now you got all your items. Let's go over how you're gonna actually build the light itself. I hope you guys can hear me because there's some gardeners outside that are making a lot of noise, man. So first of all, you need to switch out that light bulb and switch it from the annoying original one you probably had to the daylight super bright one. Next, we need to build the softbox. You need to just push those annoying rods that go inside the box and just build out the box. But do not put the diffusion sheets in yet. Leave that empty so it's just a big empty box. All right, now we need to flip the box over and start laying over those rubber bands. You want to kind of get a crisscross kind of effect going on. Like, those shotgun mics when they get suspended with these like rubber bands in the air. That's what you kind of try to go for, something like that. So by the end of it, it should look something like this. And then you're near enough pretty much done. All you need to do now is create an opening inside the rubber bands itself and try and feed it up over the light bulb holder. Squeeze them back on so it wraps nice and tight over the top and it's suspending itself. Then replace the bulb again, put that bulb back in, and then you can put your sheets of diffusion back into the box. And then you're completely done. That's it for this video. That's my super hacked out ceiling light build. If you enjoyed it, hit the like button. And if you want to see more content like this, then hit subscribe. So nothing else left to do apart from catch you guys in the next video. Peace.